Muara Cibareno Beach, a West Java Banten border tourist destination that has extraordinary charm. Muara Cibareno Beach is one of the tourists located in Cibareno village, Siligrang district, Lebak Regency, Banten. The location of Cibareno Estuary Beach can be accessed using 2 wheels and 4 wheels, through the Sekalung Bantar Jati Highway, Cibareno Village, Cross West Java, Banten. In the 90s, the beach located on the border between West Java, Banten is known for being one of the places used to advertise a national television station. Cibareno Estuary Beach has its own uniqueness, such as there are coconut trees lined up on the beach so as to provide coolness to the visitors. In addition, this beach also has a beautiful scenery and a calm natural atmosphere, so it can make the hearts of visitors will feel comfortable. Although still not widely known in the community, but the coast of Muara Cibareno has been visited a lot, especially by local tourists. This beach is not as famous as other beaches, but there are many visitors who come here, said Rines while holding a cup of coffee to mantrasukabumi.com on Sunday, September 20, 2020. He also said, "Actually this beach is very good, but no one has managed it well. However, there is already an increase." Actually, it was once a bridge for a selfie place, but it was not done. I also don't know why, Rines concluded. In addition to having a number of beauties, this beach also has a small well located near the beach called Granny Entering Well. It is said that according to the surrounding residents, the Entering Well is indeed very cramped with its mystical stories. Muara Cibareno Beach is one of the economic resources for the surrounding residents, both for fishermen and for sand miners. Of all these things, this beach does have tremendous potential if managed and developed properly.